What is going on? So this is just a follow-up video to the video of me unboxing and installing this on the 300 Jackal. In that video I said that it had these little bumpers right here because I watched another YouTube video, I think one or two videos actually, and people said that these were little bumpers to protect the gun whenever it was folded. Those are actually not what these are. I had a viewer comment down in that video what they were, so I figured I'd make a video to show you if you don't know what these exactly are. So these come in, I didn't look at this package that day, I just threw it off to the side, but there's a bunch of different millimeter thickness ones in here, and they actually go right here in the back of the folder. There's two little grooves. You take these, you stick them inside of there, and what that does is when you have your brace unfolded, it puts tension on it to keep the brace from wiggling. Without these in here, you do get movement. The brace wiggles a little. So if you have one of these braces and you were going off the assumption that these were bumpers for the firearm, that is not what they are. And it does help to put them in correctly. I wish they would have had directions in the box to tell you what those were. They didn't, but oh well, it is what it is. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and just send 5 rounds downrange. Catch you on the next video.